Hey guys, in this week's film crew, we'll be learning how to shoot video from a drone and edit it. See you there.
Hey guys, Elvis here. On the next Photo Pros workshop, we'll be learning bokeh photography and we'll be learning how to make pictures just like this one. See you there.
Hey guys, Lewis here. On this week's YOUmedia regular workshop, we're going to learn how to sample. See you there.
What's up guys? This is Michael Cobain. This week on our Let's Play workshop, we're going to be playing Name That Tune. So bring your music knowledge. I'll see you there.
Hey guys, Shamir here, and you don't want to miss this week's career development as we will teach you how to set up a resume. For those of you guys looking for a job, come through. Hope to see you guys there.
This Christmas we're closed. Merry Christmas.